What's up, Tay Babes? It's your girl Shantae, and today's video is a mom life clean with me. And in this video, you're gonna see me cleaning mostly all the things that I clean on a daily basis. You're also going to see my kids ripping and running through this video, so please don't be alarmed when you see a few heads popping in and out of the screen. I'm also going to be holding the baby. It's like literally the only way I can get some things done, so don't be alarmed when you see her all up in the camera. But so I am going to go about my daily routine, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to talk to you guys and conversate with you guys, see what's going on, converse. There's going to be very minimal talking in this video. If you're interested in knowing my daily routine, go ahead and keep on watching. As you guys can see, we do take mini breaks. Well, I take mini breaks in between, and we do not just clean straight through. So that is the reason why I left this clip in there.
will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
So it was at this moment that I realized we didn't have any more dishwasher pods and I needed to go to the store and get some. Taking a small moment here, I am going to be trying to put the baby down for a nap so that I can finish out my chores of my daily routine. It is usually a difficult task with a toddler bouncing all around, but I try to get things done the best way that I can. Right now I'm just rubbing lotion on Harmony because I gave her a bath earlier and I forgot to put lotion on her in my rush. So I'm just gonna put lotion on her now and then swaddle her up and try to put her down for a nap. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you stay and join the Tay Babes by hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate you, and I would love to have you hang around and stick around with us. Don't forget to hit that like button as well if you found this video helpful, or if you just enjoyed being entertained by my daily routine. I really appreciate having everyone here, and this is very therapeutic for me ever since my mom passed away on February 22nd of this year. So this really does help me out, and I love talking to you guys. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.